Good morning, students. Today's topic is derivation of the gases law from kinetic theory of gases. Topic is derivation of the gases law. Derivation of gases laws by kinetic theory of gas. Theory of gas. First one is Boyle's law. Proof according to the kinetic theory. According to the kinetic theory of gas, pressure P equals to 1 by 3 rho V square. Equation number 1. Or pressure in terms of mass and volume in rho density is written as m divided by v and v square. Or PV equals to 1 by 3 m v square bar. Here multiplied and divide by 2 in above equation. Then PV equals to 2 से मल्टीप्लाइड किया 2 by 3 एंड 2 से डिवाइड किया हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर. पी वी इक्वस टू कितना आएगा 2 by 3. ये वैल्यू किसकी हो गई, ये हो गई काइनेटिक एनर्जी की. यहाँ प्लेसेस कर देंगे कि ई इक्वस टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर. Since kinetic energy is directly proportional to T, then PV equals to 2 by 3 into T. For Boyle's law, temperature should be constant. Then PV equals to constant. It means वो लिख सकते हैं कि V इक्वल होगा constant डिवाइड बाय P. और एक्यूरेट फॉर्म में लिखें V इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू P, विच इज Boyle's law. Proof. Second law is Charles. Charles law. Proof. According to kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases, pressure introduced on the molecules या pressure introduced by the molecules P equals to 1 by 3 rho V square. Or it is also written as P equals to 1 by 3 m divided by V और ये V square. और it is also written as V equals to 1/3 mp into V square bar. Since V square bar V square or velocity of a molecules of a gas, mass of a gas at constant pressure V square directly proportional आएगा T. It means from equation number second, equation number first, V डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल आएगा 1/3 m n p एंड t आ जाएगा. V स्क्वायर के प्लेसेस पे लिख देंगे हम. एंड दिस इक्वेशन बिकम एज V इक्वल्स टू 1/3 m p. V स्क्वायर के प्लेसेस पे t आ गया. फिर लिखेंगे फॉर आ गिवन गैस, फॉर ए गिवन गैस mass and at constant pressure mp equals to constant. It means from equation number 3 becomes V directly proportional to T, which is a Charles law. Third equation is Avogadro law. AV according to this law, at constant pressure and temperature, equal volumes of the molecules have equal number of moles or equal number of molecules. Then we prove for Avogadro, we prove N1 equals to N2. When two gases are connected another two different container which have molecules N1 and N2, we prove that for Avogadro law N1 equals to N2, where two conditions, temperature and pressure, are equal and have contained in a same volume. Then according to for proof, according to kinetic theory of gas, kinetic theory of gases, pressure P equals to 1/3 rho V square bar V square in terms of masses and volume, m divided by V square, equation number 1. Now we consider two gases. Now consider for two gases the pressure. Consider two gases 1 and 2. Pressure is P1 equals to half M1 N1 V and V1 square, and for the other gases pressure is P2 equals to 1/3 M2 N2 V2 square. This is the pressure for gases for 1 and gases for 2, where M1 and N1 whole mass of the container, where N are the molecules, N1 and N2 are the molecules. according to Avogadro law at constant pressure. Constant pressure. It means P1 equal P2. Substitute the value of P1 and P2. 1 by 3 M1 N1 V1 square equal 1 by 3 M2 N2 V2 square. It means, sort out this is equals to M1 N1 V1 square and M2 N2 V2 square. Equation number 2. For a given temperature, both the gases experience same kinetic energy. That means K1 equals to K2. Value of kinetic energy half M1 V1 square and half M2 V2 square, or half M1 V1 square equals to half M2 V2 square, और M1 V1 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू आ जाएगा M2 V2 स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 3. डिवाइड इक्वेशन नंबर 3 by equation number 2. Then we get M1 N1 V1 square divided by M1 V1 square equivalent M2 N2 V2 square divided by M2 V2 square imply N1 equals to N2, which is a Avogadro law. When two gases are contained in a same volume where pressure and temperature remains same conditions, which is a Avogadro law. Avogadro's law. Hence proved. Fourth one is perfect gas equation. Perfect gas equation. It means we have to prove PV equals to nRT. For n equals to 1, PV equals to RT. Now proof is according to kinetic theory of gases, gas pressure exerted by the molecules on the walls of the container, P equals to 1 by 3 rho V square. It can be written as 1 by 3 M divided by V square bar. It can be written as PV equals to 1 by 3 M V square. Since V square bar directly proportional temperature, it means V directly proportional temperature. Remove proportion sign, we get a new constant which is in terms of PV equals to RT, where R is a gas constant. A new constant considered as a gas constant, where R is a constant known as a universal gas constant. This is the four topics which derived from the kinetic theory of gases. Next topic we have speeds. Next topic is speeds. Which one? First one, average speed. Average speed. Second one, root mean square speed. Third one, most probable speed. Now we discuss speeds one by one. First one is average speed. This can be defined as the arithmetic mean of the speeds of the molecules of a gas at given temperature. It can be written as V bar equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus and so on Vn times the divide by number of molecules यानी n. By using Maxwell speed distribution, it also can be written as V square bar equals to 8 kBt divided by pi and m, where kb is Boltzmann constant. In terms of gas constant, 8 RT divided by pi capital M, where लिख दीजिए where kb equals to R divided by capital M, small n and capital N equals to capital M, RT equals to PV. Second speed is root mean square speed. The square of, it can be defined as the square of root of the mean of the squares of the speeds of the individual molecules of the individuals. Molecules of a gas. It can be written as VRMS equals to square root of V1 square, V2 square, V3 square, extension so on, Vn square divided by number of molecules. By using Maxwell distribution, speed distribution, Maxwell speed distribution, VRMS, it can be written as VRMS equals to 3 times of kBt divided by m, or VRMS, or it can be written as VRMS equals to 3 RT divided by capital M. One form or other, VRMS equals to 3 PV equals to capital M. And the last speed is most probable speed. This can be defined as the speed possessed by the maximum number of molecules in a gas sample. From Maxwell form speed distribution. From Maxwell speed distribution, it can be written as Vmp in the most probable equals to 2 times of kBt divided by small m, and Vmp equals to square root of 2RT divided by capital M. And one more time, Vmp equals to 2PV divided by capital. Now we do some numerical based on speed. First numerical is is 4 molecules of a gas have speeds 2, 4 and 6 and 8 kilometer per second respectively. Calculate their average speed and root mean square speed. Calculate first point VAVG, second point VRMS. Answer which is given: V1 equals to 2, V2 equals to 4, V3 equals to 6 and V4 equals to 8. First one, average speed VAVG, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 divided by number of terms 4. This can be written as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 4. And sort out this. This the value is 20 divided by 4. It will equals to 5 kilometer per second. First part is completed. Then the second one is root mean square speed. It can be written as VRMS equals to square root of V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus V4 square and divide by number of terms. And the value is V1 2 का स्क्वायर, V2 4 का स्क्वायर, V3 6 का स्क्वायर, V4 8 का स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 4 and solve this is equal to 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64 divided by 4, and this can be written as 120 divided by 4. It means square root 30, and the value of square root 30 5.4 5.48 kilometer per second. First question is complete. Second question, calculate the RMS velocity of oxygen. Calculate the RMS speed of oxygen molecules at STP, standard temperature and pressure. The molecular weight of oxygen is 32. Here 32. Answer. Write down the given quantity. First one is pressure. At STP, P equals to 1 atm, 1 atmosphere. Converted it into in terms of Newton per meter square, 1.013 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. And what are next m की वैल्यू 32 g, converted into kg, 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And V equal at STP equal 22.4 liter. In terms of meter, 22.4 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Now the root mean square speed for oxygen molecules, formula is Vrms equals to 3 PV divided by m, which adapt formula on the basis of given quantity, and the formula is 3 PV square root divided by m. Substitute the value of 3 as it is, P की value 1.013 10 to the power 5, V की value 22.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by value of m 32 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then the solution is Vrms equals to 461.23 meter per second. Completed. This is the today work. Note down in your notebook.